My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2016 Ford C-Max. This vehicle has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as voice control, on the screen we can get quick access to radio, media, Bluetooth connection, menu and sound. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. Just below we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.